one. Today we are visiting Thong National Park outside of Koh Samui. It's going to be fantastic. The weather looks decent. There's possibly forecast of rain, but we'll see how that turns out. And yeah, we're just going to go and see how this turns out. Been wanting to go here for the last 3 visits, but I haven't made it each time. So hopefully this time it works out and everything goes great. Welcome to the island. So we are on one of the islands. I'm not sure which one. I think it's the main one. So the trip actually only cost like $27 and then 300 baht to get into the actual national park. So it's very cheap for what we've gotten so far. So like I'm getting a kayak trip later on. I think I used that myself. You'll see the footage later on. There's a trail up there, which is probably why you see me all sweaty and dopey, but yeah, it takes about 40-45 minutes. You have to be in good top peak health, unlike me, and then you get to chill out on the beach. So yeah, it's like going pretty well so far. Hope you can hear me over the thing there. I'm actually at the corner of the beach because there's loads of people on the tour with me, and there's a few other tour groups here as well, but like there's still, I'll do a little 360 here. You can see that like the beach is still empty. You know, you can find a secluded spot. There is like a hammock that you can chill out here. So we're here until 12:30, then we get lunch on the boat, and then we head off to another island, then we do some kayaking, and then I think we're wrapping it up. But I will be drained after this one. So it's just going to be a bit more B-roll, and I don't know if I'll talk to you on the camera now, but definitely worth a trip. A lot of these ones now I've been seeing for about $100. And I can't see any value in the difference. Like, so it's a red slower boat. It's an hour and a half to get here, but it's definitely worth it. Like, it's like almost less than half the price. Definitely worth it. So if you give it a try, I'll try to remember to link the TripAdvisor below because I'm terrible at that, and then we'll go from there. I won't be doing I will be doing a video in Bangkok. I'll be doing 2 or 3 over the next few weeks, but as I said, it's mainly photography and work for the next few weeks, and then I'll be doing Siem Rep, which I'm very much looking forward to. I can't wait to get back there again and actually record it properly this time. And then from there it's back to Bangkok and then Chiang Mai. I've never been there before, so I'm very interested about that place because I've heard good things. Anyway, I'll see you on the other side if I don't do another talking video.
Stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. The for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. I ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, 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 no. You can't stop me now. This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. I ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me. You can't stop, no, you can't stop me. No, 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 you can't stop me now.
What a day. I think I'll end the video here. Maybe a time lapse on the way back. I'll figure that one out. I'm going to sleep well tonight, boy. Mm-hmm.